Hi, this is Deb Sinkus. I'm here to show you the Hypothesis Builder. It's a board template that's part of CRO Flow. It's deceptively simple. It has only a few fields that you actively fill in, and then it acts as a connection point to the rest of the system. So for example, we have natural language prompts here in these fields to encourage you to put a hypothesis together in a way that will be very understandable to stakeholders and to make sure everyone is very clear, why are we going to do this experiment? What's a hypothesis? What are we trying to test and prove? So for example, because we saw users leave the page before they signed up, we expect that. What are we going to change on the page? We're going to move the sign up higher on the page. Will result in what? Well, we're trying to drive increased conversions. And how are we going to measure that? We're going to measure that by tracking conversions and the exit rate and the scroll depth. And we think we'll get results in about 2 weeks based on the traffic of the page. There is a real calculation that you do when you do the actual test. This is stakeholder level estimate. I think it'll take about 2 weeks. And then we do have links back to the page type so that feeds into the dashboards that report by page type. And then you'll notice that there are connections over here to the related experiments, what that experiment status and timeline is, etc., and of course the idea. The reason why there is connection points in the hypothesis builder, and we kind of have it sitting in the middle, is because this is the future reporting center, where what you'll be able to do is generate a one-page report out of the hypothesis builder that pulls everything together. Here's the hypothesis. Here's how that test went. Here was the idea that it was generated from, and here's how that idea was ranked, and here's the supporting research. So all of that will be able to be pulled together into a one-page report that can be shared with stakeholders to show the success and the ROI of your CRO program. So that's the hypothesis builder in CRO Flow.